The experts behind Garden Safe brand know home gardening is as much about how you grow as what you grow. When you want to propagate your favorite plants, use Garden Safe brand Take Root rooting hormone. Our active ingredient is similar to the rooting hormone that naturally occurs in plants and promotes the development of roots on most popular home, garden, and greenhouse plant varieties. Start by taking a 4 to 6 inch cutting from the parent plant using a clean, sharp knife or pruning shears. Cut just below where a leaf attaches to the stem. Remove the lower leaves, but keep the top 2 or 3 and any flowers that are present. This will form the stem of your new plant. Fill a container with potting mix, then use a pencil or dowel to make a hole that's slightly larger than the cutting so the rooting powder isn't rubbed off. Slightly moisten the cut end and dip in the rooting hormone so the bottom inch is covered. Tap on the rim of the container to remove the excess powder. Next, insert the cutting into the hole and press the potting mix around the cutting to provide a firm base. Finally, mist or lightly water and keep newly potted cuttings in bright, indirect light. You'll want to mist them frequently over the next few weeks while they begin to take root. Although rooting time varies, you can expect to have an established plant in about 6 weeks. With Garden Safe brand Take Root rooting hormone, you can keep gardening simple and let nature do the rest. Let goodness grow.